Is that your French fry? Look! How awesome!
It's recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Hi, Brenda's vlog. I'm my favorite.
I'm the favorite.
No, her daughter actually.
Damn, that makeup poppin'.
Thanks. Thanks, buddy. I put on mascara. That was like hours ago. So like. Hi, buddy. I hope you find your dad. I hope
You're not my dad!
I never knew my father.
Say hi, baby.
Say hi, baby. She's saying hi with her face.
She's wearing two different colored socks and you could see it so well on the camera. You can't really tell from this. Oh, and then it like, okay, so here's a cool thing. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I have a new camera. I decided to go ahead and kind of invest, but not so much, because this camera retails for like 500 bucks and I got it for 280. Shout out to Lego. Yeah, I bought it for like 280, so I I jumped on that deal. And the camera, literally, like the girl, she just had it in a box, like it was working and everything. Like obviously I was able to try it out and it works so well. Things that I did not know about this camera that I have been hunting for is that it has a touchscreen focus. So if you like press on the touchscreen,
Sorry, I was looking at myself. Oh yeah?
it'll focus. But it like if you touch the screen, it'll autofocus right away. I need to make sure to buy a mount. I think the car mount that I have for my phone in my car, I think it has like a screw-on thing. I kind of want to get Starbucks. Should we get Starbucks?
Oh, are you getting Ryan Fooder now too?
Yeah, I'm gonna get Ryan Fooder now.
Okay. I'll buy Amanda Starbucks. Because she bought the Starbucks also.
So yeah, like I absolutely love this camera. I hope the mic is really, really well. If it's not, then I'll just go ahead and I'll buy like a little attachable mic for this one, because yeah.
Imagine they can't hear us.
I would really be so mad, because I'm really actually trying on this now. Can I get a Trenta violet drink, please? Light ice. Trenta violet drink? Yes.
Got the freaks in the truck. The dimes go hit like a on a gas bill. You a wanna be caught. Right bottom MJ moonwalk on the moonwalking through your clique. I'm body.
Yeah, she's so done. Like my daughter literally is not the life of the party.
Only sometimes when she's like really excited.
When she's really excited, yeah, but that's usually when we're trying to go to sleep.
Bakla.
Bakla?
I want my dad's truck.
The car that I really, really love is my mom's. She has kind of like your mom's car, but she has the Highlander. It's a Toyota. But oh my god, I love that car. No, thank you. Thank you.
Every time you ask me, oh, I forgot to ask for caramel. Oh, they put
they put caramel on top.
I forgot to put
Extra caramel?
Extra, yeah. But it's in there.
Wow, what does this do? Oh my god, that's so cool. Now you guys can see my ugly eye. That's okay, you don't need to do that. Wow, I look really gross. This lady's watching me. Wow, we love that for us. Wow, my earrings don't even match. Wow, we love that for me.
And now I was like, I'm gonna be a YouTuber, but unlike Brenda, I'm gonna be a good one.
Huh?
Just kidding. I said, but unlike Brenda, I'm gonna be a good one. They're having a nice close-up view right now. And what else am I gonna say? Yeah, I'm not gonna be a YouTuber because I'm too afraid of criticism. Like
she doesn't handle criticism well.
I don't. I do.
It's like
I do accept.
It's like they tell her, Savannah, can you speak up a little bit in your speech, and she starts crying.
Not true. I don't cry on the moment. I cry when I get home. I'm like, I can't believe she embarrassed me in front of everyone. But now you're gonna have a lot of editing to do and a lot of beeping.
Not beeping, a lot of cutting out. Because a lot of it's kind of quiet.
I want to hold the vlog camera.
Are you gonna do your haul thing?
On your channel.
If you want.
Do you guys want to see my haul? Oh my god.
I want to do the haul, but the one thing that I have.
The one thing I paid for. My makeup.
Insert right next to Savannah's face right now a really old picture from when she was like in the 7th grade.
Ew! If you do that, I'll really cry.
I feel personally victimized. Okay, so I finally got home. We are home. Say hi, Sophie. So we finally got home after going to Hollywood and then Pasadena. We're finally home. Sophie's still sick, but now I have to go to McDonald's to go pick up some food because a little special person decided that they were hungry. Not this little one, but someone in my family said that they were hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and go pick up some food for them. And then just come on home, get ready for bed, and then just go to sleep. What happened? Okay, no. Oh, she always finds that. Give it to me. Thank you. I really have to get used to looking at the camera and not the viewfinder. Anyway, sorry. So I have to go ahead and just kind of try to maximize my time as much as I can if I really am going to go ahead and continue on and be very committed to the vlogs. I'm going to try to upload a little bit more often. You know, it's a work in progress because I can't promise anything, but I am trying. And for those that, you know, are watching my videos and, you know, still continue to be subscribed to me, I am really thankful. In all honesty, I'm really thankful that you guys have decided to stay on my channel and kind of work through this progress and this process with me. So hopefully it all works out. Thank you, baby. Hopefully it all works out, and yeah.